I work in two different worlds and they see each other as aliens. To my academic colleagues, the way that executives look at their problems is simplistic. To the executives I work with, academic research seems detached from reality. My job is to bring those two worlds together and to find real-world answers to complex questions. A good current example is in the oncology market, where Merck is building a strong lead over its rivals in immuno-oncology. But the reasons for that lead are not obvious. On the one hand, Merck's Keytruda is pulling ahead in that market. But on the other hand, Keytruda isn't a vastly superior product. Dan Chen, a pioneer in this field, says that any differences between Keytruda and its rivals are likely to be small. BMS's Giovanni Caforio says there is really no difference between Keytruda and his own company's Opdivo. There are arguments on both sides, but it's probably safe to say one thing. Merck's leadership isn't due to the product alone. There is something else going on. I thought about this as I read a recent academic paper about organisational routines. These are small sets of activities that combine to create organisational capabilities. A large company has thousands of organisational routines that enable everything from early discovery to writing a brand plan. In the study of industry evolution, organisational routines are equivalent to genes. And just as an organism's genome is an adaptation to its environment, an organisation's routinome is an adaptation to its market. The paper described how management innovations are the result of not one but many new routines that work together with existing routines to create new capabilities. In other words, for an organisation to succeed in a new market, it has to adapt not just one routine but many parts of its routinome. To put it another way, just as biological success is rarely attributable to a single gene, business success is rarely attributable to a single routine. This perspective explains Merck's success in oncology. Merck hasn't only come up with a good product. It has also generated some new organisational routines that enable it to exploit Keytruda better than its rivals can exploit their own similar products. Even looking from the outside, we can get some idea about what those new routines are. Some analysts think that Merck are executing their trials better. Others point to Merck's co-marketing arrangements. Merck's segmentation, targeting and positioning point to new routines in their strategy department. And there are probably other new routines that we can't see. Merck's success is due to all of these novel routines working together. Their secret sauce has many ingredients. Successful innovation, then, is the result of organisational routines. These routine complexes are directly analogous to the gene complexes we see in biology. Understanding routine complexes in Pharma and Medtech is what my own research is about. So, to return to my two worlds, seeing each other as aliens, commercialising innovation is obviously important to the business world. Equally, organisational routines are important in the academic world. But it's only when these two worlds speak to each other that we really understand the secret source of innovation.